behalf of the private office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmad bin Faisal Al Qasmi, I'm extremely happy to facilitate the award ceremony at the World Dream Day Summit. Today, we are recognizing select global leaders with the 2021 Global Impact Leader Award. These leaders are making a way to give economic growth and social impact to the world. As the CEO of the private office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmad bin Faisal Al Qasmi, I'm proud to award these illustrious people and welcome them in the private office sponsorship and look forward to future partnership. Dreamers are not only individuals or entrepreneurs who are starting up, but experienced leaders from across the industry, investors, and others who are passionate about their vision and collectively partner to achieve results. As an entrepreneur myself, I can today sign and see what great work you are doing in innovation around the world. Pranav Jyoti and MRI Jamaat have done a great job in bringing leaders together, and I assure you that we at the private office will not have any stone unturned to make you succeed. In case you desire to build opportunities in UAE and bring your leadership to help the Emirates become a better place. Congratulations to all the awardees. You are inspiring leaders who have demonstrated commitment to support yourself and others around you to achieve success and fulfill their dreams. The private office of His Highness Sheikh Ahmad bin Faisal Al Qasmi and Mirai Jamaat Global, Pranav Jyoti and myself, Dunstan, CEO of the private office, congratulate you at the World Dream Day. Thank you.